Okay, so when you learn beats, there's basic beats. There's like a handful of basic beats that everyone knows. So to get started, we just go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 3, hit this one. Hit the snare. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Your foot is the bass drum, right? We don't have a bass drum here, but you can just get a big box, and there's all types of videos on YouTube that show you how to make a bass drum pedal out of cardboard. Real easy. There's a bottom piece, a side piece, and then they use like a little piece of string to make the pedal go back and forth. And just to show you what I'm talking about, they just take a ping pong ball and stick it through a pencil, and that would be the part that hits the bass drum that moves back and forth. Just drill a hole here and stick that through there. And they're actually pretty neat, you know. A bass drum pedal costs $100 or two, so they aren't cheap. Okay, but for now, just try to keep this foot going steady, you know. Okay. So if we were going to draw this out, you don't have to know the sheet music, but when you get to the harder beats, it's nice to know what's going on the sheet music so you can study the harder beats. Five lines on the music staff. Right? And here we got, this would be the hi-hat. Okay, so the hi-hat's going 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these would be ands. Right? 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4/4 time, 4 beats in a measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this would just be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then the snare. Okay, so the snare is on 2 and 4. But just think of it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the same as this. I'm just counting it different. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. Follow me? To get started, you can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. To simplify it, you can think of this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But when you put it on sheet music, it's actually 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And I only show you that because if you go pop open some books, then you'll understand what's going on, you know. And then the bass drum, the one with your foot, is just on 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this would be the bass drum. Just simple 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so the foot's just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hit the snare on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then try and get this hand going. 1 and 2 and 3. that beat alone could take you a month. Okay? Some people catch on quick, but don't be surprised if something like that takes you a month or more. You know, just start out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, just getting the coordination of both hands going.